Friends, in this lecture we will discuss June 2020 IGNOU Term and Examination question paper, that is CH5 Organic Chemistry. Friends, we already discussed question number 1 and 2 in our previous lectures. Friends, if you did not see my previous lecture, please check my previous lecture, then you continue these lectures. Friends, let's try to understand with question number 3. Friends, this is question number 3a. How is phenol obtained by Comoni process? Give reaction also. What is the byproduct in these reactions? Friends, when benzene react with propene, this is benzene and this is propene. When this benzene react with propene in the presence of AlCl3, friends, you simply join this propene in this benzene ring. So this is in this place, this benzene ring join. So simply CH3, this is CH3, this is H. Friends, this product name is 1-methyl benzene. This is also called cumin. Friends, when this 1-methyl ethyl benzene react with oxygen, this oxygen is simply joined in this place, this hydrogen place. Friends, this oxygen is simply joined in this place. Friends, this is called Comoni hydroperoxides. This product name is Comoni hydroperoxide. Friends, when this Comoni hydroperoxide react with H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, this OH group is join this benzene and form friends, these two product is formed. This is our phenol and this is our propanol. So friends, you clearly see when benzene react with propane, form 1-methyl benzene, ethyl benzene, that is Comoni is react with oxygen to form Comoni hydroperoxides. In the presence of H2SO4 is form phenol and propanol. Friends, according to these questions, what is the byproduct in these reactions? Friends, this is two byproduct. One is phenol and another is propanol. The two byproduct is one is phenol and other is propanol. This is phenol and this is propanol. Friends, next one is define the following terms. The first one is octet number. This octet number is already given in your books, but I already write all the terms. What is octane number? The quality of a gasoline is expressed in term of numbers called octane numbers. Octane numbers, higher octane numbers, better fuels. Lower octane numbers is poor fuels. 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane is also called isooctanes, a good fuel. Octane number is 100. N-heptanes, a very poor fuel. Octane number is 0. Branching of the hydrocarbon chain increase, the octane number increase. Octane number decrease as the chain length increase. Friends, you clearly see in this structure, this is 2,2,4 pentane. This is branching increase, also octane number increase, and this is our N-heptane. In this case, chain length increase, octane number decrease. So this is all about octane number. Friends, the next one is the absolute ethanols. Friends, absolute ethanols is liquid alcohol that is at least 99% pure alcohol by weight, and absolute ethanols used as a solvent and also as a antifreeze. Then friends, this is antibiotics. Antibiotics, a medicine which is used for destroying bacteria and curing infection. For examples, is penicillin. Penicillin we use as a antibiotics. Friends, the next one is, this is question number 6. Write the structure of the compound that is obtained when each of the following compounds is treated with nitrous acid NaNO2 plus HCl at low temperatures. Friends, when this compound treated with NaNO2 plus HCl, diazonium salt, that is N2Cl minus and also CH3 is formed. Then friends, when this diazonium salt is treated with CuCl, copper chloride, this copper chloride, this chlorine is come to this place and N2 is formed. N2 gas is formed and this is CH3. And friends, this compound will react with nitrous acid, NaNO2. In the presence of HCl, we simply join N with, and this is CH3. CH3. Friends, this compound name is N-nitrose N-methylbenzenamine. One nitrose methyl benzenamine. Friends, next one is, when this NN-dimethyl benzenamine, this is NN-dimethyl benzenamine, this NN-dimethyl benzenamine react with this nitrous acid, NaNO2, presence of HCl, we simply, this nitro group is join these para positions, we simply write like this. This is our nitrogen, nitrogen, and this nitrous group is come to these positions. This is N. This is ortho position. This is para. Sorry, this is ortho, meta, and this para positions. So the resultant name of this compound is NN-dimethyl this is para nitrous benzenamine. And this is benzenamine. NN-dimethyl para nitrous benzenamines. Friends, the rest of the part of this question number 3 we discuss in next video. Friends, I hope you understand this. If you like to see this type of video, please subscribe our channels and share with your friends, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.